Hi guys, welcome back. It's time to learn how to run GPT-oss ChatGPT locally and offline on your Mac and Windows 11. Running a large language model aka LLM such as ChatGPT's GPT-oss locally comes with several advantages, including the ability to use an AI language model offline without relying on constant internet access. So whether you are an enthusiast of LLMs, AI tools, and ChatGPT, or just beginning to explore this space, setting up a local instance of GPT-oss can be an exciting way to experiment. Moreover, if you are a ChatGPT user who isn't particularly happy with GPT-5 and would prefer the experience of GPT-4, installing GPT-oss on your Mac or PC offers a practical alternative to revisit that model. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to download the LM Studio app on your Mac or PC. Don't worry, the app is available for free and works like a charm. And then you have to launch the LM Studio app and choose the Power User option. At the next screen, make sure GPT-oss is selected and then click Download GPT-oss to start downloading the necessary files. And when the download has finished, choose Start a New Chat option. At the top of the screen, click in the title bar. Then you have to select OpenAI GPT-oss as your model, which will load the model for you to interact with. And when the GPT-oss 20B has finished loading, you are ready to interact with GPT-oss just like any other instance of ChatGPT, chatbot, or LLM. And that's about it. Now enjoy the power of your own personal offline GPT. Just like any advanced chatbot or language model, it can answer questions, solve math problems, generate reports, write code, analyze data, and handle a wide range of tasks you would expect from a modern AI assistant. Since GPT-oss runs completely offline, it won't fetch updates or access new online information. However, it already comes with a massive dataset to deliver strong performance even in the 20B version. For those who want even greater capability and don't mind slower performance on their computers, the 120B version is also available, provided you have enough storage space to support it. And that's about it. So that's how you can easily run GPT-oss locally and offline on a Mac or Windows PC. Now that you have unlocked this super handy method, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next one.